Discover the wonders of the Marche. Ancona, the capital of Marche, is a historic port city with a wealth of cultural and architectural treasures. The Cathedral of San Ciriaco, perched on a hill overlooking the sea, is an exquisite example of Romanesque architecture, offering stunning views of the Adriatic. Ancona's Arch of Trajan, an ancient Roman triumphal arch, and the bustling port area reflect the city's rich maritime history. Urbino, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its Renaissance architecture and its influential history. The Palazzo Ducale, home to the National Gallery of the Marche, houses a remarkable collection of Renaissance art, including works by Raphael and Piero della Francesca. The birthplace of Raphael, now a museum, provides insight into the life and work of the famed artist. Ascoli Piceno is a charming town known for its well-preserved medieval and Renaissance architecture. The Piazza del Popolo, one of Italy's most beautiful squares, is surrounded by elegant buildings such as the Palazzo dei Capitani del Popolo. The town's Cathedral of Sant'Emedio and the ancient Roman bridge, Ponte di Cecco, are also notable attractions. Macerata is famous for its annual opera festival held in the Soferisterio, a unique open-air arena with excellent acoustics. The town's historic center features the elegant Palazzo Buonaccorsi, which houses a museum and art gallery. The University of Macerata, one of the oldest in Italy, adds to the town's vibrant cultural scene. Pesaro, a coastal town, is known for its beautiful beaches and as the birthplace of the composer Gioacchino Rossini. The Rossini Opera Festival, held annually, attracts music lovers from around the world. The town's historic center includes the Palazzo Ducale and the impressive Cathedral of Pesaro, with its stunning mosaics. Archaeological sites. The Roman theatre in Fano, dating back to the Augustan period, is a well-preserved archaeological site that showcases the grandeur of ancient Roman architecture. The nearby Arch of Augustus is another significant monument from the same era, marking the entrance to the Old Town. The archaeological site of Urb's Salvia, near the town of Urbizalia, includes the remains of a Roman city with an amphitheatre, a forum, and well-preserved frescoes. The site provides a fascinating glimpse into the daily life and culture of the ancient Romans. The necropolis of Ancona, located near the city, is an important archaeological site with tombs dating back to the Iron Age. The artifacts and burial practices discovered here offer valuable insights into the region's early inhabitants and their cultural practices. Natural parks and reserves. The Sibillini Mountains National Park, straddling the border between Marche and Umbria, features rugged peaks, deep valleys, and picturesque villages. The park is a haven for hikers, with trails leading to the breathtaking Lake Pilato and the scenic Gola dell'Infernacchio. The park's diverse flora and fauna, including wolves and golden eagles, add to its natural appeal. The Conero Regional Park, located along the Adriatic coast, is known for its dramatic cliffs, lush forests, and pristine beaches. The park offers numerous hiking and biking trails, with stunning views of the coastline and opportunities for birdwatching. The beaches of Sirolo and Portonovo are particularly popular for their crystal-clear waters. The Frasassi Caves, located in the Gola della Rossa and Frasassi Regional Park, are among the most impressive cave systems in Europe. The guided tours take visitors through a series of vast caverns adorned with stunning stalactites and stalagmites. The cave's underground lakes and rock formations create a magical subterranean landscape. The Monte Sibillini National Park also includes the enchanting Piano Grande, a vast plateau that bursts into a colorful carpet of wildflowers in spring and early summer. The area's rich biodiversity and the traditional lifestyle of its inhabitants make it a unique and fascinating destination. Islands and coastal areas. The Adriatic coastline of Marche offers a mix of sandy beaches and rocky cliffs, with charming seaside towns and resorts. The town of Senigallia is famous for its velvet beach, a long stretch of fine sand that attracts sunbathers and swimmers. The town's historic center and the Rocca Rovesca, a Renaissance fortress, are also worth exploring. The Riviera del Conero, with its rugged cliffs and hidden coves, is a highlight of the Marche coast. The beaches of Numana and Sirolo are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and relaxing. The area's clear waters and diverse marine life make it a popular destination for diving enthusiasts. San Benedetto del Tronto, known for its palm-lined promenade and vibrant nightlife, is a popular seaside resort. The town's extensive sandy beaches and modern amenities make it a favorite destination for families and tourists seeking a lively atmosphere. Other points of interest. The Loreto Basilica, one of the most important pilgrimage sites in Italy, houses the Holy House, believed to be the home of the Virgin Mary. The basilica's grand architecture, impressive dome, and beautiful frescoes attract thousands of visitors each year. The town of Recanati is famous as the birthplace of the poet Giacomo Leopardi. The Casa Leopardi, the poet's family home, is now a museum dedicated to his life and works. Recanati's charming historic center and beautiful views of the surrounding countryside add to its appeal. The medieval town of Gradara is dominated by its impressive castle, where the legendary lovers Paolo and Francesca are said to have lived. The well-preserved castle and the town's medieval walls and towers create a captivating historical atmosphere. The Hermitage of Font Avellana, located in the Apennine Mountains, is a tranquil retreat with a history dating back to the 10th century. The Hermitage's peaceful setting, beautiful cloisters, and ancient library make it a perfect destination for those seeking spiritual and historical exploration.